Hello guys again and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to test this EPSON L6160. We are going to find out the print quality on a photo paper, plain paper, the time that we need to print at these papers. In these printers are very important the quality, and I will start first printing some document and we are going to measure the time that it needs to print it at the normal and best quality. First in the standard quality. Black and white, a little bit of color. 12.7 seconds. Now on high quality. (56.9 seconds. More than the normal quality. It is about 400% more. Let's see, but it's worth the waiting. I can see it is better in a best quality. Nice. Now I'm going to test it with a photo paper. That's why we need to fill here one photo paper. The printing side needs to be down. And here we've got message that we need to choose the paper, A4, paper type. Well, of course that we can do and from our PC when I'm going to give the order to print, and done. Okay, starting the printing. This is a standard quality. And stop. 2 minutes 54 seconds. Nice. Ooh. Beautiful. Well, we are going to make the comparison with the best quality. And let's move on to printing the best quality. Three minutes and 40 seconds. It takes longer. This is the best quality. Okay. Beautiful, vivid colors. I like it. Well, that is the differences. Here it is the standard quality and there is the best quality. In here there is a slight more vivid, the colors more clear. Definitely it is the best. I like it. Of course, every time it has to do what photo paper you're using. It depends on the quality of the paper. Now I'm going to use a smaller photo paper. Take this out. Here we get a button LGL. Just pull it out and then you can insert the smaller photo paper here. Close it. And now we need to change the paper size. It is 10 by 15 centimeters, 4 by 6 inches. And again, it is a glossy. Okay, I will do, and that changes from my PC when I'm going to give the order to print. We are starting with the standard quality again. One minute and 5 seconds. Oh, beautiful. Standard quality. I like it. Okay. And now we are starting with the high quality. It seems like the plastic that I showed you before, this, you don't need to use it, just leave it off, it doesn't matter. Okay, 1 minute and 24 seconds. And there is the best quality. And this is the normal, this is the best. Well, in the eye is not giving you the feeling that has too much differences, but slight better, it is the best, of course. Nice. Now I'm going to use the scanner. I will scan and we'll see how long it will take in normal and best quality. Let's print. Okay, 19 seconds, 29. Now I'm going to choose the best and again print. One minute and 49 seconds. And of course again, this is the best quality, this is the normal, and the best is better. Nice. Okay, let's try and print the photo from my smartphone. Share, load to the EPSON iPrint, arrange some of the settings that we want. Okay, copies, paper size is okay. Premium photo, paper glossy. Borderless, print quality is high, paper source automatic. If I choose cassette one, the same. Color, print day off, autocorrect and sharpness off. Done and print. And that was it, 5 minutes, 24 seconds. And I can see the printing quality, whoa, very detailed, and from the smartphone. That is great, I like it. Well guys, that was all about this EPSON L6160. You have seen what it can do. Check here, clear, the quality of the printing is very good, and you can see the details of the landscape. Nice. And of course, and at the smaller one, you can print these photos from your smartphone, take your pictures from your smartphone and choose what is best to print and just print it and put it to your album. Here the details again. You can see even the letters very well. Nice. Same as the documents, you can print your documents. Clear small letters, very easy to read at the eye. Overall, I can say it's very easy to use this printer with a Wi-Fi connectivity. Print photos from your smartphone or use the Wi-Fi direct. Print photos to this EPSON without having a Wi-Fi internet. You can check down below to the description all about this printer, the unboxing, reviewing and testing that I made. You will see that it's so easy to use it. You have so many options at the LCD screen and you can control this printer from the printer. You don't have to use your PC or laptop. Or if it is more convenient, you can use it or from your smartphone. It is your choice. Well, if you need to buy something like that, for me, thumbs up is doing a great job. You have seen the results. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more are coming and you don't want to miss them. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.